We're going to show you how to save media information in the Media Manager on the SureColor S7170. Go to Menu, Media Settings, Media Management. Now select an empty location, select Change Name, type in the name, okay. Select the media type. You can also change the advanced settings. Once you've selected the media type, the advanced settings will be defaulted for that particular type of media. However, should you need to change the settings for the preheater, the drying time per pass, the heater warm-up, the platen gap, you can change those options by going into the advanced settings. At this point, click the back arrow, and now your media is saved.